To change the battery on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the sensor PCB from the case. You may feel some resistance from the connection ports. Then, remove the main PCB from the case. Next, with tweezers, gently lift up the 4 clips around the underside of the battery to remove it from the PCB. Take your new battery and click it into place on the main PCB. Carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.